Hey guys, I've got a bonus video for you this week, Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. And I wanted to share with you today some really easy DIYs you can do in just a couple of minutes, the ones you'll actually use year to year, because they're really easy and every supply came from the dollar store. Now I'm just keeping it real. We don't normally decorate a lot for Halloween, but it's really fun to have a fabulous front door. And my trick in Dollar Tree to do this for under 20 bucks is to buy a larger item in a group of 3 and adhere it to the front door using self-adhesive hooks. Put 2 on in opposing directions and then you can stick whatever item you want on the door. The more you add, I think the cooler it looks. And the great news is this comes off really easy at the end of the season using a butter knife. So this year I decided to make a witch hat wreath. So I took one of the witches and I just took the head out of it so I could use the insides. Carson definitely appreciated that. And I got some boas from the costume section and this witch hat wreath form from the Dollar Tree. I really liked the mesh that was left over. I wrapped it around the inside and gave it a tie at the bottom. And secure the fabric with hot glue or any type of pin that you want to. And I secured the boa at the bottom with just a knot, and then I wrapped it round and round, nice and tight. Once it was securely attached, I grabbed some Dollar Tree mesh ribbon and I tied it onto the bottom to create the bottom of the witch hat. And then I took an old headband that I picked up and cut off part of it and added it as an embellishment. I always think it's useful to see how people attach these things to the door. I used command strips, just the Velcro kind, to attach this sign to the back, and it looks so cool. I also really like these spell signs this year and these trick or treat signs. I think they look really cool, and these are some of my favorite wall hangings. I also wanted to make a witch broom, so I took some Dollar Tree craft paint and a plunger. I just painted it all black and let it dry for a few minutes, and then I took some Excelsior, I think that's how you say it. You can also use raffia from the Dollar Tree, and I put it on the bottom of the plunger, and I tied the remaining boa that I had on the bottom. This made a super cute witch broom. I just tucked it into the inside of the plunger and set it right on the front porch. This looks so cool. These witch legs and the rest of the signs are also from the Dollar Tree. Next is my new favorite tradition you have to try with your kids, a hollow tree. I took a white Christmas tree, which are pretty much out in all stores, and some webbing. You can find these in all different colors. And I strung LED lights throughout the tree. I used 2 packs. And then I took black webbing and put it over the top of the tree. And then I took spider rings. I got 2 packs of these, so just $2, and put them on the tree. This was Carson's idea. And then I took some creepy cloth, which you can find at every Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorite Halloween products, and I used it as a tree skirt on the bottom. I tied a bow at the top and added a spider. And sometimes I put candy for the kids at the bottom of these trees. Carson and Owen have been loving this in our house. It's such a fun way to celebrate this season. Next, a super easy calendar. I took these floating shelves and they have wooden blocks they just started carrying, and I took that same matte black paint and painted over the blocks, and then I added numbers to them so we could make a super easy countdown calendar. And they always carry these signs for every single season, the long ones. You can put them together. We can reuse these from season to season to count down to your favorite holiday. And I just added some twinkle lights underneath of the Dollar Tree ghost to add a little bit of flair. And we've got costumes this year. They have so many new ones. Some of my favorites were the bee costume and the ladybug costume. They also have name brand masks this year, which I thought was super, super cool. And if you want to make your own costume, I absolutely love the craft foam. I've done this for years and years, making our own Halloween costumes. One of my favorites was this Ninja Turtle for Carson. We got the shell and then we just cut out the mask. It turned out so cute, and I used the same craft foam to make a pizza costume for Owen, which we just glued right to a onesie. Can you guys believe how little he was here? Turtles love their pizza. Our family is wishing you a happy and safe Halloween. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. We love trick-or-treating at our house and dressing up, and I always remember as a kid feeling the exact same way, dressing up and spending a lot of time DIYing my costumes. Put a comment down below with your favorite Halloween costume you've ever made for your kids or you dressed up as. I can't wait to read them. I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm so glad that you are here, and I'll see you there. Bye. Copper. Oh, he's eating the boa.
Don't eat the boa. Ew. Ew.